Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Fit stereo. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry off interior panels without causing damage. A Phillips head screwdriver and an 8mm socket are crucial for removing screws and bolts. Don't forget an aftermarket wiring harness adapter and an antenna adapter. These ensure a smooth, plug-and-play installation for your new stereo unit. Now, let's get to removing your old stereo. First, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the lower dash trim panel, working around its edges. Next, locate and remove any Phillips head screws and the 2 or 3 8mm bolts that secure the factory stereo unit. Once these are out, gently pull the stereo forward and disconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses and the antenna cable from the back. Remember to also detach the air conditioning control cables, often accessible behind the glove box. With the old stereo out, it's time to prepare your new unit. Connect the aftermarket wiring harness to your new stereo, carefully matching the colored wires according to the instructions. This step is vital for proper functionality. Once the harness is wired to your new stereo, plug it into the vehicle's factory wiring harness. Don't forget to attach the antenna adapter to ensure you get good radio reception. Double-check all connections to make sure they are secure and properly insulated. You're almost done. Carefully slide your new stereo into the dash opening, ensuring all wires are tucked away neatly. Secure the unit using the screws and 8mm bolts you removed earlier. Now, reattach all the trim panels, pressing firmly until they snap back into their original positions. Once everything is physically installed, reconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Finally, turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test all functions of your new stereo, including radio, auxiliary inputs, and any Bluetooth features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.